Maca grows at 14,000 feet elevation in the Andes Mountains. No other food grows at 14,000 foot elevation. That's something right there. That's something very interesting. Actually, where maca grows, there is very hot and cold temperature, swift changes. There's wind. This is a real survivor, this maca. And what's interesting is that maca is an adaptogen, which means it helps our body adapt to stress. But the main thing is that the maca contains phytochemicals that boost luteinizing hormone and other hormones in the body. Not testosterone and not estrogen, so people don't think it's bad, okay? Because those things would not be necessarily good for a vast majority of people. But this boosts the endocrine function. In fact, there is no food on earth that I can recommend, outside of maybe one or two that could compete with it, that boosts the endocrine system this much. So what does that make it? It makes it a Jing food, isn't it? J-I-N-G, Jing. Because what does this do? This boosts the sexual function. In men boost sperm count by 300% in clinical observation. The sperm, when it has all this, has 200 million carbon copies of another human being in there, this is not an easy substance for your body to make. It's not easy for your body to make it. It's what they call a treasure, right? In Chinese medicine, it's a treasure. Now, if this is boosted 300%, this is a true superfood. True superfood, because no other food on earth can make that claim. They did a study with lab rats. What they found is that the lab rats that have enlarged prostate gland, that when they were given red maca, that the prostate gland reduces size. What's also interesting is in this red maca, which is not the same as yellow or black, okay, so red maca, which is the one I recommend the most. The red maca is also high in zinc. And zinc is stored in the man's prostate gland. Actually, there's more zinc in the prostate gland than any part of the human body. We store it there. Now, the zinc actually helps to reduce the inflammation of the prostate gland. Who might be interested in maca? People who want to improve their sex life. People who want to improve their athletic performance. People who want to improve their concentration and their energy levels. It's really good for fertility, right? For couples trying to conceive. This is really good for women who are fighting menopause. Help with the hot flashes. Naturally balanced. Better than the yam, better than any of the other stuff. This is good for osteoporosis. This is good for people with low hormones, people who want energy, and anybody with a pulse and who is breathing.